The KAFD station is part of the new Riyadh Metro network, a rapid transit system which comprises 175 kilometers of railings, 6 metro lines, and 49 stations, which are planned to be the backbone of the city's public transport. The metro network features 4 iconic stations designed by internationally acclaimed architects. The KAFD station is one of those. Using the urban fabric defined by the KAFD master plan as the starting point, and the network of sky bridges converging towards the metro station as primary sources of incoming pathways to the area, the proposal pursues the enhancement of local connectivity in the existing urban scheme, establishing multiple associations with the surrounding infrastructures and buildings. The design concept develops the idea of the station as a hub that gathers the complex incoming network of pedestrian pathways envisioned by the KAFD master plan and negotiates between those and the multi-level metro lines. The resulting scheme is a tri-dimensional lattice defined by a sequence of opposing sine curves, which act as a backbone for the circulation toward and inside the building. By definition, a metro station is a destination hub. We designed our proposal to enhance the iconic value that this public building represents for KAFD in particular, and for the Riyadh transportation network in general. The proposal aims to become an exceptional but rigorous landmark building with all the comfort of a modern service station. Inside the station goes beyond traditional typologies, emphasizing its role of dynamic, multifunctional public space. Not just a short-lived place perceived through quick transitions, but also a dramatic public space for walking, shopping, and meeting people, in which everyday life takes place at different speeds, and it makes possible to grasp for a few instants the real essence of city life.